We have now enforced these securities these days, such as antiviruses and firewall, to protect our computer from viruses and any other vulnerability out there. There were over 50,000 computer viruses in the year 2000, and this number has only continued to grow. But in the year 2008, it then broke the internet that there were over 1 million computer viruses out there, and this tells you how computer viruses are being created at an increasingly fast rate, leading us back to the question, why do people create computer viruses? Obviously, the answer is going to be complex with so many people creating viruses today. There are over hundreds of reasons why viruses are being created, but most viruses are being created for profit. So there are many revenue streams to make money with creating a virus, and this ranges from tracking computer users and gathering information on them. They can also be used to trick users to pay for tech support by using a pop-up window telling them that they have a virus or other computer problems and they need to perform a certain task to receive help with this issue. And if the user performs that task, they can be forced to pay a certain amount of money or lose a ton of information, and at the end your computer is left with the virus or a whole new different virus to face. Viruses can be used to create botnets, and botnets are used to infect a computer PC. Virus owners use botnets to make money in so many ways, but one of the most common ways botnets are used to make money is DDoS extortion. Where all the computers in the botnet are instructed repeatedly to visit a specific website. The website user is then instructed to pay the botnet controller to stop the attack. Another way virus owner uses botnet to generate revenue is something known as click fraud, and it is used to create clicks on ads to generate revenue for the botnet controller. One of the new crazy viruses out there is something called a ransomware. And ransomware encrypts data, then the computer owner is instructed to pay a ransom to unencrypt their data. Some of these viruses were made by people or organizations who want to prove that they could code a virus or just be malicious to the society in general. And this was common in the early viruses that were made in the early days of personal computing. As the internet and computers are more vital to everyday life, it is important to keep backups or create several system restore points so that damage done would not be severe and you still be on the winning side. I've made a previous video on this channel where I broke down the steps to create a system restore point on your PC. And if you want to keep seeing my videos, you can as well subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see below this video, and as well pressing the like button to show appreciation to this video. And my name is Emmanuel, aka TheCrackITGuy, and without further ado, I will see you in the next one. Bye.